this number, your expenses get higher and higher and higher as time goes on because it's a percent of an account value. That is such a bait and switch, nasty way to do things. Hopefully you're not 0.8% because that's almost as much as a financial advisor, but 0.08% is still accelerating. See, what people don't understand about expense ratios is your 0.08, I'm going to assume, meaning really low cost, on $10,000 in the first year. But guess what? Maybe you save $10,000 the next year. So you got $20,000 plus growth. So now you're at $22,000. So now you have 0.08 on $22,000. And by 10 years from now, maybe you have $200,000 in your account. 0.08% on $200,000. Then you have $400,000. Then you have $1 million. This number, your expenses get higher and higher and higher as time goes on because it's a percent of an account value. That is such a bait and switch, nasty way to do things. The exact same amount of work as year one is the exact same amount of work, whether you have $10,000 in your account or $1 million in your account. But yet they charged you $80 in 1 year and then $8,000 in the next year or $800 or whatever that number ends up being. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger as time goes on. That is a problem. And it is a bait and switch and ends up being up to 25 times more than a low-cost max-funded life insurance policy, which, yeah, is more in the beginning and then decreases as time goes on versus smaller in the beginning and secretly accelerates as time goes on because you're a percent of an account value.